Good morning. I'm been working this morning trying to figure out this BIA system and thought while in the midst of it, I would stop and send you a quick update. First, I want to say thank you. Um, I know that this is a busy time for you with the start of school and things not, in some instances, not starting as smoothly as we would all like. Getting kids back into the classrooms and figuring out buses and substitutes and contact tracing. So I know you've got your hands full with that. But even in the midst of that, I've heard from many of you and you've asked questions about your assignment. You've done good work relative to the activities that I've posted. And um, you've gotten your work up, at least I believe. And that's really why I stopped at this juncture to try and give you a brief update. As far as our new assessment system that the college is using, BIA, I am trying to figure it out just like you are. The assessment office provided me with a PowerPoint of instructions, just like they did for you. And I'm assuming that you used that PowerPoint to determine how to upload your assignment. I've, I've been using that PowerPoint this morning to see the work that you've uploaded, and I'm not seeing what the PowerPoint's showing me, bottom line. So just kind of hold tight. This is my priority this morning is to be able to say to you, yes, I have your assignment one, and I'm in the process of grading and getting feedback to you. So thank you so much for both your good work and your patience. And I'll be back in touch with you again soon.